नेक्स्ट बेस्ट डायलॉग इज इंसान इमोशन में गलती करते हैं. इट मीन्स दैट इन द इमोशन ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑलवेज मेक मिस्टेक. What it means that emotion, we have two type of the emotion, positive emotion and negative emotions. Emotion of desire, emotion of faith, love, sex, romance, hope. This is the positive emotions. Negative emotion is means that emotion of fear, jealousy, revenge, greed, superstitions and anger. And excess for everything. Either you take the excessive positive emotion or negative emotion, it will always harmful and you will commit any mistake if you indulge excess of any emotions. We should always take the balanced approach. It means that as per the law of subconscious mind tell, if any thought which is mixed with your positive emotions, it has been transferred into your subconscious mind, and it is very hard to transfer these emotions because the law of subconscious mind tells that any negative emotions it is very easy to transfer in your mind, but in the positive emotions, the positive thought which is the based on the positive emotion, it will take time, and it is the timing when you will pass this thought in your subconscious mind. Once you succeed to establish any thought which is based on the positive emotion in your mind, I think then your subconscious mind start working for you. It doesn't mean that if you transfer the emotion of strong desire to become the doctors, it doesn't mean that you will leave all the things. You have to study hard, you have to make the strategy, but the positive emotions which has been transferred in your subconscious mind, he will play also big roles along with what you play, what you do the study. So my dear friend, in this if you talk about the subconscious mind and the statement which told in this series, it is a contradictory, but I will like to explain that excessive of the emotions is always bad. It will always take the mistake in your life, and I will explain in the other perceptions. It will be technical, but it is the very root reason for anything, and it will very helpful to make any decisions. See, when we write the personal mission statement, and it will very helpful that if you try to know the central of circle of the influence. Circle of influence is telling that you put your time energy where you can control over it, where you can influence. You cannot put your time energy where you have not direct influence. It is mean that it is it is not direct control. Suppose economic is in the recessions, there is no any control of you. What you have the control, that you have to develop your own capability, you have to set up new skill. It is your own control. It is your control. This is give the only examples. Once you write the personal mission statement, the central of the circle of the influence, which is depend on the four fundamental endowment, like the security, guidelines, wisdom and powers. With the help of these four fundamental endowment, and you create the central of circle of the influence. Apart from that, there is some alternate central. Alternate central, it means that like the biasness, you're inclined. Like if you are the family centric, you can be the spouse centric, you can be the relationship centric, you should be the money centric, friendly centric, envy centric, like self centric, church centric, religious centric. It means that it is your inclined, it is your biasness. When you take the decisions of anything in your life, your interest, your inclined is toward the central, what you have possessed. But the best way of doing practice is that we should adopt always a principle centric. Principle centric, it means that it can never change. It is a proactive. It not means reactive. So my dear friend, I am giving the example to understand very simple way. Suppose in your town there are the live program of your best singer, live concert is happening. You bought 2 tickets for your spouse. You are planning to go and attend the live sessions of your best singers. At the same times, you receive the message from your boss that you have to stick, you have to give evening times with your boss, because your boss is making some presentations, important presentations, which they have to report to the management. One side you already book ticket, you plan with your spouse. Second side, and the other side, there is some addendum, you got some message. If you are the family and the spouse centric, then you will ask your boss, no boss, I am always given the time to my spouse, I have to go. If you are the envy centric, it means that your competitors in your office, you want to take the edge, you want to take the advantage over your friend who is your competitors, then you will stick with your boss. Then you can show that I am the superior than him. It is means envy centric. If you are the self centric, it means that you are only thinking about your self development, what you will get the new knowledge from your boss. It will be some transferring about the knowledge from your boss to in your side. You are thinking about the on centric. If you are money centric, then you may be thinking that if you give them more time, you can take some extra money overtime for overtime's work. You are expecting some extra income. So this is the all centric is going on once you take any decisions. But best way of the practice is that you should take the principle centric. Principle centric is always proactive. It can never change. Either situation will be changed, but your principles, your idea, your decision can never change. It will be totally based on the long terms. And second is that if for this example, principle centric is telling that you have to stick with your boss, because you will get opportunity to learn some things which is very helpful for your long-term careers. For the arranging, going in the live concert, it can be happen in the future also. You can manage, you can convince your spouse that it is more important, and your spouse will understand that work is more important. See, evaluating all the option which is open in your side, you try to evaluate each and everything. Then you take the make proper decisions. You do not indulge in any type of emotions. The centric, what I told about, it is the emotions. So we should not fall in the any type of emotions which always make mistake. So this is the meaning of this this dialogue. इमोशन में इंसान हमेशा गलती करते रहता है. Hope you will understand. Thank you very much.